Hello.
Hello, world.
Hello, world.
We have a Red State special because we're doing an unboxing of a mystery box. But it ain't a normal mystery box, it's a mystery box full of dead things, apparently. Burns has already had a little look, ain't you, Burns?
A little.
Good stuff.
Some
Dead stuff.
Ready?
Ready, Corey, yeah. They know what we're doing.
Oh my god. The back of it's brilliant. It's a rat pencil case.
Yeah.
He writes like us. He does, yeah. Part of an animal. That's an antler. That's an antler.
That's cool, that is. That's a good first.
That's weird as fuck.
You could always do with an antler.
Oh my god, it gets weirder. That is a
It would get weird,
dinosaur with a
wouldn't it?
rat heart in it. It's got something part animal, part in there, isn't there? Each particular brand of animal.
Oh, that's got some animal bits in there. That's cool though. Wonder how he makes that.
No, that is a heart or a liver or some. That's weird as fuck.
Obvious.
Oh, look at this little geezer.
Is that the penguin?
That's the
Fucking got
penguin.
the penguin.
Yeah.
We got the penguin. Quite excited about the penguin.
Geo! The bloody amethyst or whatever he bloody calls it. It's a sparkly rock. Jazzy rock.
Jazzy rock for penguin to sit on.
It's ice penguin, isn't it?
Oh, it's
Oh my god,
penguin.
the penguin's
Oh,
gone to
hey.
shit. The fuck is that?
It's a necklace.
That's a rhino! I have no clue what that is. That's random as fuck, isn't it? It's a rhino. It's rhino parts, isn't it? Don't tell me I've got to wear that.
Oh yeah,
all
that's
the time.
yours to wear now, fully.
Come on!
Get it on.
Are you going to fit my neck?
Oh, it's adjustable. Don't worry.
It's not.
He's thought about you. It's adjustable, I'm sure.
Rhino
Charge.
neckerchief. That's your rhino neckerchief, that is. That's bloody.
Made from genuine
That's rhino.
rhino, yeah.
What is that?
That's right.
This looks weird as fuck. It's fragile, isn't it? It is a bit fragile.
I see some red stuff.
No, I know what it is! I know what it is!
Yeah.
No way!
What is it? Is it the chick on a spring?
No way!
We got the chick on the spring. Oh,
It's another part of the free meal! We got the bill!
we got the bill.
Hey, we got the bill!
Oh, that's brilliant. Genuine, that's real.
We got the bill. We have got the bill. It's a weird old bill.
We got the bill.
It's a weird bill. Bill! That's weird.
Oh, that's brilliant.
There is one more piece.
One more piece.
Isn't it?
There seems to be a bit of tape with human hair on it there.
Well, I found that while unwrapping it first time, and that was amongst the bit of tape, and that's one of his hairs. So I thought, oh, let's put that in some
We're
clear
gonna
tape
clone our own Jack.
so we can make our own Jack. Yeah. We've got him. We've got your DNA. We got your DNA. You thought we were weird. Now we got you. Yeah. That's thought we were weird before. This is our prized possession in the mystery box. A piece of your DNA.
We've managed to make the weird mystery box weirder by
That
ourselves.
is one of his hairs, isn't it?
That is definitely one of World Around Ewe's hair.
Well, let's clone him.
I don't think that was meant to be one of the items in the box.
Well, thanks for the hair. We've all sniffed it.
Yeah.
And, we're going to take it on turns, so we'll take it at weekends.
Smells lovely. It's my turn this week.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah. That is brilliant. That's a Ducklin's hair in the spring.
And we got the penguin.
It's a bloody good penguin.
It's a real nice penguin.
He says you get at least one thing he's made, and then some things he thinks are cool.
Well, he's definitely made that.
Yeah, that's one of his things. You stroked it?
I think it's...
Yeah, it's bloody weird. It's bloody weird, it is.
That's soft. I think that's a bloody good haul.
That is a good haul. I'm a unicorn. That's something dead in there, isn't it?
It's definitely something dead. It ain't living anymore. Oh, it's a chicken heart. We got something.
Oh yeah. Chicken
Oh,
heart.
does this say actually what we've got?
Yeah.
Oh, so we got chicken heart, amethyst,
Amethyst.
antler, Jack, We've got Jack in there.
Yeah.
He hasn't just signed off Jack. He means Jack hair. We've got the Jack hair. Nice one, Jack. Try the podcast. We love the podcast. I threw an extra for the long way. Is the extra the hair?
Maybe.
What was the extra?
The extra's the bloody duckling, isn't it?
I hope it was the hair, to be honest.
The hair. We're gonna say it was
I'm
the
going
hair.
to say it's there. That's the best
just
part.
didn't think we were gonna get that freaked out about sniffing it. And
If you would like one of the weirdest, best mystery boxes on the planet, then go to World Around Ewe, and he might have some left.
And he will not disappoint.
No disappointment in the box.
Yeah. That is not better than weird. It's a real spring though.
Real duckling's head on a real spring.
I can't wait to see what he does next.
Oh, it's a piece of his hair.
Antler, the lucky penguin, very lucky penguin, the crystally geode, the bill, the dinosaur with the, what is it, chicken heart?
Yeah.
Nice bit of chicken. That is a chicken heart, if anyone wanted to know. Jack's hair, the creator.
We've all
And yeah, we have sniffed that. And then this little fella. I don't know what it's made out of.
It's a tooth of some sort.
It is like a tooth or part of an animal made into another animal. Happy birthday, Corey! Yay.
Thanks, guys. This is as random as what we are. This is pretty cool.
Has it cheered you up today?
It has, yeah. It's made the day. It's took the edge off it, it has, yeah. Took the edge off it. I can go home now and cry with my duckling's head.